Then what other things? Place a order, return a order, right? So go on. So many things, so many items, Amazon Prime feature, other features, UPI Pay, so many features are available. Okay. So just we will look at how you will be testing these features. Okay, these are the features of the Amazon. Okay, so now we are learning about software testing, right? So in general, what is testing? We have seen in general, we will test how we use it. So in the same way, how we use this Amazon application, you will be testing. So you will try to check login and is login working or not. So if it is working, you will mention it is pass. Simple. You will add an item to cart and then check, and if it is working, you will mention it as a pass. This thing is working, this thing is working, this is done, right? Like this, you will continue. So, testing is the process of verification. So, what is testing? It is the process of verification. Okay. So, guys, able to see the screen or it is very small, right? So, testing is the process of verification in which we have checkpoints. What these checkpoints we have? The checkpoints to determine whether an objective is met or not. Okay. So what is objective is met or not? In this process of testing, in this verification process, the objective is login is working or not. Yes, it is working. So you will mention pass. Again, for add to cart, what is the objective? User should be able to add item to cart. You will check that, and if user is able to, then you will say pass. Right? Then again, in the process of placing the order, you will place a order and check yes, user is able to place a order. You will go check in the history also, it is visible. Means it is working fine. It is pass. You will place a return place order. Okay, return the order, and once the user is able to return it, he is getting refund also. Then we will say yes, it is working fine, right? Just a placing order is not fine. He should get the refund amount also. Then that is return process is completed. Okay. So what is testing? It is a process of verification in which we have checkpoints. Okay. So in this testing process, we have checkpoints. So how we write this checkpoint or how we create this checkpoint, that is, we will try to understand. Okay. So first thing you understood how we test. Yes. Yes or no, girls? What is testing and how we test? Able to understand? Can we
Yes.
have some answers,
Yes.
guys? Yes, no, yes. So,
Yes, yes.
yes, tell me what is testing?
Process of verifying the product.
Yes, process of verifying the products. Yes. And okay. So what is software testing? We will be testing the software
Testing the
application which is
software.
developed.
Testing
Yes,
the software.
right,
Test
correct.
the
Okay,
software.
okay. So fine, good. So you are able to understand. Okay, testing is the verification in which we have checkpoints to determine objective is met or not. Okay, so fine. Now we will see about what is testing, what is development, what is organization structure. Okay, so the organization is having the teams, right? So there is a development team, dev team, and the QA team. QA team is also called as testing team. QA is quality assurance. Okay, so QA is quality assurance and QA is testing team is called as QA team. Okay, so what the dev team will do, they will develop. What they will do, they will write a code. They may be using HTML, JavaScript, Node.js, okay, React, databases, all those concepts to develop. Okay. So all the technical tools they are using and they're developing. Okay. So consider there are 10 people in the dev team. Okay. So now we are trying to understand what is organization structure and where the QA team will function and what will be the roles and responsibilities of the QA team. Right? QA means testing team. So this is a standard name of QA. Okay. People will not call in the industry as a testing team. QA team, it is called as QA is quality assurance. Okay. So this we are learning about the organization structure. Okay. So in this, you might be or this might be in every all MNCs. Okay. So it may be any tech company, and in that tech company you will have a set of or team of development, team of QA. So in obviously in the team of development there is a lead, there is a manager, there are juniors, seniors. Okay. In the QA also there are junior QA, senior QAs, lead QA, manager. Okay. All those. And overall there will be project manager. He will be managing the project. Team members he will hire and start a project, discuss with the clients. Okay. All those things will be there. And this team will work for one client. Okay, one client means who? So in the example, we will say Amazon. Okay, so what is Amazon? So Amazon is a client and they want application to be developed which can run or which should run on the mobile as well. All the platforms, Windows, Mac, okay, all the tabs or Windows or Mac or Android phones, all the platforms. And requirements are they will give. So this is what my requirement is. My requirement is I want a online platform for selling all these items, electronics, mobiles, okay, laptop. This is all is requirement what Amazon has. Means Amazon wants that features in the application. So that details Amazon will give. Amazon will give a contract to this tech company saying that develop a product for me which should help me in selling the items online, right? So your Amazon is giving you the contract to the tech company. Okay. So in that, all the requirements they will give, right? So requirements means what? The needs, right? Requirements means what they need, that all the details they will provide. Okay. So they may be providing the Word document, okay, some Excel documents, some screenshots or some images like this is the way I want my software to look like. Okay. And it should be having these features. So that features are nothing but the requirements. All right. Who will give requirement, guys? Tell me.
Client.
Client means, yes, client means in the example, Amazon, Flipkart, or Facebook. Okay. Any companies. Okay. So these clients will give the requirements, what features they want. What features they want in a software. Okay. Whatever the software they are giving contract to develop to this tech company. Okay. So they will give the requirements. So then this tech company will start the development for this Amazon client. Okay. So what is some of the examples of these tech companies are TCS, okay, Wipro, and HCL, Infosys. Okay, these are the some of the examples of this tech company. So they take a contract from the clients. The clients may be another companies or another software companies, another banks. It may be any. Okay, so they need a software to be developed. So then they give contract.